I'm gonna talk about the computer. First, I will talk about the history a little, and then I will talk about the computer today. The first mechanical calculating machine, a precursor of the digital computer, was invented in 1642 by French mathematician Blaise Pascal. That device used a series of wheels of 10 teeth, which represented a digit from 0 to 9. These wheels were connected so that the numbers could be added. In 1617, the German philosopher and mathematician Goldfeder perfected this machine and invented one that could also multiply. The French inventor Joseph-Marie Jacquard designed an automatic loom which used thin, punched wooden plates to control the tissue used in complex designs. During the decade of 1880, American statistician Herman Hollerith conceived the idea of using punch cards similar to Jacquard plates to process data. Hollerith compiled statistical information for population census of the United States in 1980 by using punch cards on electrical contacts. In 1941, Schulze Conrad presented the Z3, the first electromagnetic computer programmable by punch tape. After, in 1943, a team of British Army led by Alan Turing built the Colossus, that was a computer that allowed in a few seconds to decipher secret messages automatically from Nazis during World War II. While IBM and Harvard built the first computer based in electronical solenoids, the technology was more advanced in other universities such as the University of Pennsylvania. Therefore, engineers of this university developed for the U.S. Army in the research laboratory ballistics the ENIAC, that means Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. This computer was considered the first computer since its operation was fully electronic but with the bulbs. The first commercial computer, UNIVAC 1, was manufactured by Sperry Rand Corporation and bought by the Office of the Census of the United States. Meanwhile, IBM developed the IBM 701, of which 18 units were delivered between 1953 and 1957. Shortly after, the bulbs were replaced with transistors, which allowed reducing tens of times the size of the computers and increase its speed of operation. Then, integrated circuits were developed, and the production of these chips decreased the cost of the computers. Later, operating systems were developed, such as Unix, Windows, and Linux, which are programs that give life to a computer. Today a computer is a high-tech and efficient invention. It's an electronic machine used to process all kinds of information. If the computer hadn't been invented, people couldn't have systematized that information. In order to interact with such a machine or with such a computer, programmers and engineers developed the concept of the user interface in order to accept input from humans and return results for human consumption. With a computer, we can do office work, watch videos, write letters, write reports, among others. If we need to save many documents, the computer is the best choice. The computer makes life easier for workers and students if they know its operation. People connect to the internet if there exists a computer and a provider of this service. The internet allows to communicate with people through email. On the other hand, we keep in touch with family and friends if we handle the messenger very well. We share programs installed in a computer. The computer will make many arithmetical and logical operations and execute different programs if it has a good memory and processor. We can create computer programs that performs different functions and even allow us to make presentations that can see other computer users around the world. If the computer hadn't performed, our job wouldn't be easy. Thank you.